Alright, welcome to the video. We got a little bit of a different video today, kind of more of a day in the life. It is like pretty much an admin day for me. I don't have patients today, but I gotta get a lot of extra stuff done. So having some coffee, eating some of these protein donuts, which are delicious. It's freezing this morning, but I love fall. I love fall here. So first, let's see, I gotta eat this. I'm gonna go do some HIIT training, HIIT cardio, and I gotta go buy a new mail key because I lost it. Surprise, surprise. Just got my car out of the shop. Everything's going to hell. I gotta sign up for some continuing education today, so that I can keep my license, and gotta get my website finalized. It's done. I just gotta get a domain, do all the payment stuff, and it is ready to go finally. So I'm Dr. Leanna. Welcome to the video. Owner of Chiropractor. These hoodies will be up on the website. Perfect time for this fall weather. And give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, do so now and enjoy the video. So we got the mail key back. Only cost $10 to replace it. So that was kind of nice. I thought it was going to be $100. That's why I kept putting it off. I lied. I actually have a client asked if he could get it adjusted today, and I was like, yeah, like I'm not going to turn down business or money. So just got to do that real quickly. I'm going to head to the gym actually to adjust him quick. And now I gotta spend more money on continuing education stuff, so that's great. 140.
I think I can push it in and find it.
Back. Remember how to do this? On three, you're gonna.
Like,
yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Walk down at me sitting up, demanding my attention, had to give it up.
Right, so I'm a huge fan of Trader Joe's. Made a quick pit stop. I'll show you, oh shoot, some of the stuff I got. Some veggie stir fry, some natural shampoo, some face stuff. I try to get like as much natural stuff as possible for like skincare, hair care, deodorant. I never used to, but now I care a little bit more. Some marinara sauce, some creamy tomato soup. My boyfriend loves this stuff. It's actually really good, but that's for him. Some Parmesan, and the reason I got this and this is for the spaghetti squash. If you've never had spaghetti squash, it is delicious. A great alternative to spaghetti. So I'm gonna actually get this cooked up right now. Zucchini, grape, pearl tomatoes, avocados, and some lemons to squeeze in my morning little scoop of this stuff. I've showed you guys this stuff before, but I absolutely love it. It's your greens and probiotics. I got this at Vitamin Shop. I'll link it below. I always link the stuff that I love down below. So I'll squeeze a lemon in with a scoop of that every morning. So yeah, that is the basics, kind of like more of the veggie stuff I get. Meats and stuff I generally get sometimes at Trader Joe's, but usually I buy it in bulk from Costco because me and my boyfriend eat a lot of it, so I buy it in bulk. Okay. Today has been kind of a little bit of a busy day. I'm tired. I haven't eaten since those donuts, so I think I'm going to eat a quick meal here. I'll show you guys that. And then we are going to hit the gym in like 2 hours. Alright, so for the next meal we got 1 whole egg, 100 grams of egg whites, and some steak. The first 2 meals I've had have been pretty much low carb and higher fat, and that's usually what I like to do in the morning and kind of backload my carbs, just because carbs tend to make me sleepy and unproductive, so I don't like to have a ton of carbs during the day. But I think since I'm going to work out in just a few hours, I'm going to have some oatmeal as my source of carbs, I think. So I'm going to cook this up and then I'll show you guys the carb source that I'm having. Okay, so instead of having oatmeal, I'm going to have these half and half rice cakes. We got like half of the protein cookie dough, half peanut butter on 3 of them, and then we got the bowl of, I added some avocado in there too. 1 whole egg whites, steak, avocado. So I'll throw up the macros for this meal. Pretty balanced for all the macros. A little bit higher in fat, but I'm going to eat this and then chill out a little bit before the gym.
Look up.
What'd you think of the workout?
Decent.
Decent? Okay, we did like a kind of upper chest focus workout. So incline bench, incline pressing, a little overhead pressing, some flies. I didn't get many clips. There's way too many people at that time, and people were staring. So
the girls were staring at you.
the girls were. I'm like, God dang, like they don't know IG models. Okay, so I made the spaghetti squash I showed earlier. This is what it looks like after it's been cooked. I cut it in half, put it in the oven at like 425 for like 40 minutes. And first you have to like get all the seeds out. I think that's what you're supposed to do. But this is where the magic happens. You take a fork, you get a bowl, and usually you should do this when it's warm, but we went to the gym, so I didn't have time. And then, this is magic, spaghetti. Wow, right? Wow. Spaghetti. You get tons of volume from this. Okay, well, I'll show you guys when it's done because this is kind of embarrassing. It's hard, a little bit harder than I thought it'd be. That's what she said. So we got 200 grams of spaghetti squash with some cherry tomatoes in there. But this is a good amount of spaghetti. I'm not sure how many grams, how many grams of carbs are in that 200 grams of spaghetti squash, but I'll put it on the screen. So with this, I got some of that Trader Joe's veggie mix in there, some ground turkey, some spinach, and that is about it. So I'm gonna let this kind of cook down a little bit, and then I'm gonna throw some of that marinara sauce in there as well. So yeah, this is a big pizza bread is cooking in there. So this is a big amount of food, a lot of volume for a little amount of calories. Okay, dinner is served. Look at this thing. It's good. Wow. Up close and personal. Yeah, it's super good. If you haven't tried spaghetti squash, if you haven't tried spaghetti squash, and you're on a low carb budget, good stuff. Come on. Also, look at that thing. Look at it. The low carb pizza. Can you see it? It's good, isn't it? You like it? Say yes.
Yes.
He really does like it. But again, back to me. That will be, the website is live. I remade the whole website. Blood, sweat, tears. It's up. The ebook cookbook is on there as well. So go buy it because everyone asks for my recipes. All my best recipes are on there. So go get it. God dang it. I think that's it. If you guys like these type of videos, a little day in the life's a little different, give it a thumbs up, please. Actually, I really don't care if you thumbs it up or not. But I noticed if my sister's not in the video, you guys will thumbs down the video, so I don't get it. We're gonna watch Jurassic, what is it called? World? Jurassic World? The newest one. We saw it in theaters. I liked it. Did you like it? It got bad reviews, but I enjoyed it very much. Also, we're having, I haven't really eaten a whole lot today, so we're splurging on the weekday. A little Harvest Basic pumpkin wheat. They're pretty good. They're decent. Blue Mooner. So, Fitness 101. Right here. A little balance. So, this is going to be the end of the video. Thanks for checking it out. Go check out chirofit-com. I'll put it up on the screen. Go check it out and like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Look like somebody designed you, dropped it gorgeous. You made me wanna live it up. Your presence is critical. Moving my soul, yeah, you're spiritual.